How to check old mails in Gmail. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. So first you open any search browser you have. For example, I have a Chrome here. So you click on Chrome. If you have any Safari or it's on Android or iOS, it doesn't matter. Or if it's on your computer or laptop or phone, it doesn't matter. Once you open the web browser, you search gmail.com. Once your Gmail opens, on the top left here you'll find the option of 3 lines. Click on that, then scroll down and click on all mails. Once you click on all mails, a lot of mails will show up, but you want to search a specific older than certain age or time mail. So you click on the search and you type older, then you put a underscore. Once you put an underscore, you type then and you put a colon. Once you put the colon, you can type, say I need a mail 1 month ago, then I type 1M. If I need a year ago, say I need a 2-year-old mail, I click 2 and I click Y and I click on search, and here will all the mails will come up that are 2 years older. This is how you can search older mails with a certain time period. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.